Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with RPGHair. So let's see what we got in today's package. Firstly, I got this little goodie bag. Okay. What's on the inside? Edge brush and comb, flyaway tamer, and a pair of HD wig caps. Also got the booklet that's always in the RPGHair packages. So this has all the information you need to know how to care for the hair, their social media, all of that good stuff. Alright, so this is today's wig. Oh my god, this is so nice. Straight out of the package, fall. Straight out of the package. So guys, what we have here is a gorgeous 5x5 HD lace closure kinky straight textured number 4 wig. Basically, like, you know, medium chocolate brown kind of color. That's the vibe going on. This is 20 inches long, and as you can see, it's a beautiful kinky straight texture. Absolutely love this. It's 150% in density as well. Very, very full, and it's just gorgeous. It's pre-plucked in the hairline. Okay, super easy. This is gonna be very beginner friendly. I just know it. I can't wait to go ahead and start with installation. Let me show you the inside of the cap before I even move further. So I already showed you guys the lace. It's pre-bleached and tinted, so you don't need to worry about doing all of that customization. There's a total of 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back, and they added this adjustable elastic band, so you know, if you need more security, you got it. And it's adjustable, as I said, so you can loosen it or tighten it to your liking. That's awesome. All right, so that's the construction of the wig. All right, it feels good. I'm not getting any shedding. 1 strand so far, so that's not bad. Not bad at all. So I love that. So now I'll show you guys what the wig looks like. Let's go ahead and do a quick beginner friendly installation. Okay, this is how the hairline is looking. Really nicely plucked. It looks very realistic. Did I mention this is glueless? Yes, girl, glueless. I love a natural looking glueless wig. One thing about me, I'm gonna give you great options for glueless wigs. Okay, the longest portion of this is going to be styling the wig, and I'm gonna make this nice and straight. I can't wait. Let me just go ahead and cut away the excess lace, and I'm gonna give it a nice little bust down center part.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your...
This is so undetectable. Where is the lace? Where is it? No, for real, look there. Glueless. It's completely no product. You don't need no baby hairs. You don't need no swoops. We're just gonna go straight in, and we're gonna just start finessing it. I'm just gonna fast forward through that, make a nice little party, use my hot combs to get it nice and flat, and then I'm gonna run through this thoroughly with my flat iron. Okay? Okay, let's go. This is how it looks. You see I went ahead and made a parting more, precise. I just ran through it with my flat iron. It was super easy, super easy. Took my own little sweet time to just press it out really nicely, and it laid really realistically. Like, it does look super realistic. I feel like you have this wig on, you're not gonna really get any questions about, is it a wig that you're wearing? Because it looks really natural. Number one thing is the texture. A kinky texture is always going to bring that kind of vibe. Then look at that lace. What lace? I keep on saying it. It's so undetectable. It's really natural and absolutely no adhesive. Like, no. Yeah, very convenient. The only part that took the most time in installing this wig, it wasn't the actual installation, it was the styling. So I say, if you know that you have somewhere to go, you probably could just straighten this the night before, or if you want to curl it up, you could do that too. Just make sure you style it ahead of time so that wouldn't take up your time. But apart from that, the installation is pretty much like a minute. You slip on and you go. It's one of the most realistic wear and goes. So shows the RPG hair, the quality, everything feels good. Still, like, I'm not getting any shedding, it's really natural, very natural. So, I can't complain. It's a vibe. Movement, everything is just so believable. So I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to the wig in the description box. You know the vibes. Along with the specifications. So if you want this wig, you can go ahead and check that out down below. Shout out to RPGHair for today's wig look. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like this video, drop your positive comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality.